For years, I wanted to make my own films. And for a long time, I kept finding reasons not to make them. I told myself lies that felt true, even if they weren't. So I'm gonna remind myself and you 5 lies that we tell ourselves to not create and to not make our films. Number 1, is it worth it? This is the one that probably sat with me the longest. What if nobody watches it? What if it doesn't go anywhere? What if it's all just a big waste of time? Is it worth it? And I'm here to tell you, yes. Yes, it's worth it. What you create is the reward, not the external validation you're gonna get. That's nice if it happens, but that's not why you create it. You create it for you. If you're creating it for other people to validate you, no, it's not worth it. If you only create for external validation, it's never gonna feel like it's enough. But if you're creating it for the right reasons, because you have this thing that you really need to get out there, yes, it'll be worth it. Even if nobody watches it, even if it doesn't go anywhere, it will still be out there and it will still be a part of you and part of your art, and it will be yours. And no one can take that from you. So yes, it's worth it. That one was off the dome. Number 2 is I don't have the money. And this one I understand to a certain extent. Yes, filmmaking requires money, but there are ways around it. I've heard before, if I had money, I would be able to create the film I want to make. But the truth is, the projects that I've made that mean the most to me and that are most personal to me, I've made with little to no budget. Yeah, some of the things you want to make might need money, but there could be ways around it, whether it's simplifying the story a little bit or just using what you have at your disposal and getting creative. Lack of money forces you to get creative. Number 3 feels real because it is real. A lot of the times I've said, I don't have time. I don't have time to create the projects I want to make because life does get in the way. And whether you have work or kids or other projects you have to work on, that stuff gets in the way. And then your projects, your personal projects, are gonna fall to the wayside to those more important things. But you don't find time, you make it. However way you can, you carve out whatever time you possibly can to work on your projects that you wanna make. You work on it nights or weekends or early mornings, whatever your schedule allows you to carve out a little time to work on your project that you are so desperately wanting to make, you can find the time. Waiting for your schedule to open up perfectly, that's how years go by. And then you look back and think, I haven't done anything that I wanted to do. So you have to make the time. Number 4 is, I'm not good enough yet. That one's personal. Yeah, I've heard this one from so many people. It's me. I'm so many people. I'll make that film when I'm better, or I'll make it when I'm ready. But you only get better when you make the film when you don't feel ready. Waiting until you're ready is just fear disguised as preparation. You become the filmmaker you want to be by doing it badly first. And number 5 is one I feel most of us tell ourselves, and that lie is, it has to be perfect. I've told myself this so many times that the next project I do has to be perfect, or it has to be better than the last one I did. And if it's not, then I'm a failure. But of course it won't be perfect. No film is perfect. We all know this, but for some reason we expect ourselves to be perfect and make a perfect film. Perfection isn't the goal, progress is. You'll learn more finishing an imperfect film than you ever will waiting to start a perfect film. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. You don't need permission. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start.